Hey everybody, welcome back. Here we've got some more parts for the Harley. I have a backrest. My back is not the best, so I need a backrest. I just opened the box here. Just came. I haven't really had a good chance to look at it. It looks pretty nice. Link will be down below in the description. But here's what you'll get, and it has adapters for different year of bike. So this is going to go on my 06 Electra. And let me get these other parts out here and then we'll be right back. Here's all the pieces. So you got some hardware, there's your adapter brackets. So for me, I'm not going to use that one. This will be what bolts down to the fender, and then you've got your backrest, which is really nice. I don't know if my seat's factory or not, but it definitely doesn't match it. But I don't really care. Once it's in there at an angle, you can't really see. So I think this is going to be the back support that I need for me to have more enjoyable, longer rides. Fingers crossed. One of the things I read is that it was supposed to match the factory seat, so I'm wondering if mine maybe is not a factory seat. Maybe somebody out there will know. But anyways, I'm going to take this off here with the little switches here on each side. Then I'll pull that screw off and then the seat will come off on mine. Because somebody cut off there's supposed to be a strap on there. Someone took that off already. So once I get that off, we'll be back. So now that we got the bike seat off and whatnot, I took the saddlebag off this side just for fun. So I can get a little closer without worrying about hitting the thing. But so it's going to go on here, obviously. The first thing they want you to do is to bolt your little adapter on, which would be this thing. So for my model, it's going to be that one. You're going to take these bolts loose. It's going to bolt in here, and then it's going to bolt to this cross brace here. It already has a hole in it. So it's going to bolt up to that. So I'm assuming it's going to have to go underneath these wires. But once I get that in place, we'll come back and show you how that looks. So I got the bracket bolted on here. This wiring you saw was against the fender. I'm not quite sure what to do with that yet. It seems pretty secure, but you know how much this thing shakes like a crazy man. But anyways, I had to flip this bracket around here and put the adapter underneath this one. Otherwise this one wouldn't slide far enough back because it would hit up in here. So you got the little bolt goes through there with the Allen. Lock nut on there. Bolted these down in the second holes. As far as I know, that's it. Other than we're going to put the seat and stuff on and figure out the location and see how everything feels. This stuff here you can see, you can loosen this and adjust this back and forward. Kind of where I guess you want it to sit as far as placement once you got your seat on. So this here you can adjust the tension of this. I guess this has a little rubber dampening. And yeah, so this bolt here will go in the front. I haven't looked too far into it yet, but this bracket here that your seat goes on it'll go in there, and that's what'll lock that down into place. So we'll get that taken care of and come back. Alright, so I didn't look close enough. There's a little Allen in there, and the Allen that comes with it that fits this fits that as well. So this is kind of how this is going to go. I haven't bolted the seat top on yet, but I'll take this off, put the seat on, and then we'll put the backrest on, and we'll kind of see if it's a good position or not. And then we get to play the adjustment game. So this can go up and down with that screw, and you can get your forward and back adjustment with these guys. Okay, I've got everything tightened up here, and we're going to put the seat on. I put the seat on for a test, and you can't really get to this. It's almost a shame it wasn't on the back side, because with my seat, and I don't know if maybe it's not factory, but this one almost rubs against something inside the seat, which I probably could solve under the seat itself. But anyways, so I'm in the one hole back, got everything tightened down here. And I got this tightened just in the first little groove that's in the bottom, so one up from the bottom of the plate. And now we're going to put the seat on. There it is, all installed. I did put it down one more notch on the vertical bar. Got it in place. Got my backrest on, and I don't know I may end up tilting this thing so it goes farther forward. I'm going to probably take that rod or the bar out and bend it at the bottom so it goes farther forward, because I can't sit in there. Maybe if your girlfriend's 80 pounds, she'll probably fit in there, but it's not really comfortable. My kid will fit in there, but an adult not so much. That said, the backrest does feel pretty good. It looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that for the price. A little bit of fiddling, but what do you expect for not being an overpriced Harley Davidson part? This does have a little bit of, you can see it does pivot a little bit there. A lot of people complained about the side-to-side movement, which there's a little bit, but it'll kind of lean with you a little bit. I don't think it's really a big deal. I'm not sure what everybody was complaining about there, but yeah, that's it really. Next thing to do is just go for a little spin and see how it feels. I would take this one off, but I think it looks dumb with how big this seat is. I'm kind of wondering if I have an aftermarket seat on here as big as that sucker is, but I don't know. Maybe you guys will tell me, because this is my first Harley. But yeah, well, so far so good. Take it for a spin tomorrow and either finish the video off there or just put it down in the comments, because it feels good now. I can tell the extra support's going to be great on my back when I go for a long ride. So like, comment, subscribe, follow the links down below in the description. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's something else maybe you'd like to see. You're into the Harley stuff. I have LED turn signals coming. Yes, I know this is an Electra Glide. I put the Street Glide blinkers on it because I thought they looked cooler. And I have an LED headlight I'm going to put in next tonight. So now that it's dark out, I'll do a test with and without. And yeah, I'll show you. Catch you on the next one.